All I'm saying is you are going to revision.
Why?
Because I said so.
I don't want to go to revision.
Bro, you're going revision.
No.
3:30 till 4:30, 3 days a week.
No.
Yeah, you are.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. I'm
Yes.
Not. I'm not going.
Yes, you fucking are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Do you want to bet?
No.
Because you'll lose. You knew it, so we know
No.
you are. Yes.
No. I'm not
Yes.
going.
Yes, you are.
I'm not going.
Yes, you are.
I don't want to go.
Give me your phone.
What do you mean?
You're grounded.
Why am I grounded? What? Because I don't want to go to a revision club?
Yep.
Are you sure?
No, I'm being serious.
So what? I have to give you my phone because I don't want to go to a revision
And your
club.
PlayStation and your Xbox.
What do you mean? What, just because I didn't want to go to a revision... I can't even talk. A revision club.
Yeah, see, that's why you can't even talk, because you need revision.
It's me having a stutter.
But don't try and blame it on a starter.
But it is.
All right then, champ. Anyway, pick you up at R4.
What? Why?
Revision club.
It's not today.
All right, calm down, Jeff. Monday then.
I don't want to go.
Do you know what's on a Monday? Done revision on Tuesday. Stay for an hour on Wednesday. And on Thursday and Friday and Saturday, chilled on Sunday. Done revision on Monday. Went to the club on Tuesday. He was doing papers on Wednesday. And on Thursday and Friday and Saturday. And rugby on Sunday. Good day, boys.
See ya. I'm not going.
Listen,
To a revision club.
yeah, you are a revision boy.
No, I'm not. I'm not going.